The next Diwali snack which we are going to see today is a very simple murukku, which is called the venna murukku or the butter murukku. It's a very simple preparation. You can never go wrong with this recipe, and it's an excellent tea time snack. So let's begin making this murukku. So first we are going to make a dough. For that you'll need about 1 cup of rice flour, half a cup of fried gram flour, that's pottu kadala maavu, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of crushed pepper, a quarter teaspoon of black sesame seeds, and about a tablespoon of butter. So first mix all these ingredients well and then start making a dough. You need approximately half to 3/4 cup of water for this. Just knead it well for a few seconds. So now our dough is ready. You see how nice and soft it is. So I'm using an idiyappam maker like this for making the murukku, and I'm using a single star plate like this. You can also use the 3-star plates, and I've already greased all this with some oil. So now I'm just going to fill the dough into it. This is a very easy murukku recipe. There's no soaking and grinding the rice or anything complex like that. I'm just going to use the store-bought flour, and there's something, if you're going to do a small batch, it'll just take you about 15 to 20 minutes to get this done. And this is something which the kids will just love. So once the oil is hot enough, just reduce the flame a bit and then start making the murukku directly into the oil. So initially you'll see a lot of bubbles like this, and once the bubbles reduces, it means that it's almost done. So just flip it over once and take it out. Just strain it in a tissue paper, and you can have this with some nice hot coffee or tea. You can actually make this and store this for at least about a week. They usually taste fresh and good. So do try this recipe for this Diwali and enjoy.